Hello everybody, happy 1st of October. It is Halloween, right? I mean, Halloween for me is all year, and probably for a lot of you as well. But today is the first day of October, which means my first Halloween look of the season. I have a lot of looks for y'all this season, so bear with me. But the first one is a collab with my best friend, Baylee Madison. I did a few collabs with her last year, but I didn't post any of those tutorials on YouTube. So this year, I have a few coming on here. So we are doing ghost hosts from Disney's Haunted Mansion, from, the costumes that the ghost hosts wear, right? But we're actually turning ourselves into ghosts, okay? So I'm using my Mehron Paradise paints, and I am just painting out the shirt. We looked at a reference picture online, so we're just following it as best as we can. We kind of sketched everything out first, then went in and painted all these lines. Lines are so hard to paint, you guys. Oh my god, it took us forever, but yeah, we got it down. We did it. So just laying down the basic shirt first. And this was the really, really hard part, you guys. I took my NYX That's the Point Hella Fine liquid liner, one of my favorite tools to do really fine details, but we literally had to do little skinny tiny lines in between the green spaces on the shirt, and it was so hard. We had to hold our breath. Oh my gosh, it was really difficult, but you know what? We didn't get it perfect, and that's okay. No big deal. I'm using my Lunatick Labs Cosmetics Contour Palette Volume 2, and I am doing some shading with this gray right here. So doing shading, especially on clothing, really helps bring things to life and make it look more realistic. So just doing a bunch of shading, and I also used my Glam-O-Ween palette. I used the shade Cobweb, which is the black shade, and I just went in and did some more detailing just to bring it to life a little bit more. And then just went in and added a couple other things as we went. These looks take us all day, you guys. I go over to Baylee's house, and we probably sit for like 9 to 10 hours plus painting, because, we're hanging out, we're eating food, we're watching movies, it's a really long process. So, yeah. So I just painted on the collar, and we just decided to do something cute, and make it unique, so we just did it white, and then we're just putting some little designs on there, doing some shading, putting some little dots on there. We just kind of did whatever we wanted. We just did our thing. Now I'm going in with my white NYX Epic Wear liner, and I'm just highlighting the edges of the collar. This was really hard. So we're putting our name tags on, and we just kind of used a makeup wipe and got rid of the paint right there, and then we just mimicked the shape of the tag, and I tried to write my name. I don't know, y'all, what happened to me writing in the mirror backwards. I can usually do it, but I hadn't done it in a long time, and this is what we got right here, you guys. I don't even know. I did the N and the E backwards, and then it got really small. So we ended up writing our names on each other. So Baylee wrote my name on me, and I wrote Baylee's name on her, just to make it a little bit easier. And then we basically just went in and kind of perfected and thickened the words. That was really hard. I don't know why. We literally draw Ouija boards on ourselves. Why couldn't I write my freaking name? Ugh. Now we're moving on to the face. So I'm using my Bin Nye Clown White paint. We are turning ourselves into spooky glam ghosts. So I just put a lot of Clown White all over my face and used a beauty blender and really blended it all out. Put it all over my eyes, and I put it down my neck as well, because, a ghost, their white face doesn't just stop at their jawline. I took my P. Louise base in 0, and I put it all over my lid and underneath my eye as well, because I wasn't using concealer, but I just wanted to brighten it up a little bit. And to set everything, I'm using my Mehron Colorset powder, and I'm just literally popping it all over. Using my Lunatick Labs Cosmetics contour palettes, we are doing a very strong contour with gray. Obviously, like in pictures, it's gonna look a lot more dramatic in person, but in pictures, it's not gonna look as dramatic. It's still gonna be dramatic in pictures, but It's just gonna look a little bit more dramatic in person, that's all. Going back in with my Glam-O-Ween palette with Spoiled Cosmetics, I'm using the shade Mummy, which is the gray, and I'm just putting that in my crease. We're going to do a really blown out black smoky eye, and then I'm going in with my Alien Cosmetics and Baylee Madison collab palette, and I'm using the black shade called Salem and Ouija, and it has a little bit of sparkle in there. But again, we're just going for a really, really, really blown out smoky eye, really dramatic, really messy, just kind of go crazy. We didn't really care. We were just like, let's just pop this black eyeshadow on. I filled in my brows just a little bit, didn't do anything crazy, just a basic little brow there, and I lined my lips with my Corinthian LA Splash Cosmetics Lip Sculptor Liner, just to give myself some shape on my lips, because I felt like a blob, okay? Just a little blob there. Then I'm going in with both of these lashes from Hell Bites Beauty and Alien Cosmetics. This is the part where I get excited because everything's coming together and we're coming to an end after so many hours. But basically I stacked both of these lashes on top of each other because I wanted giant lashes, and I really packed a lot of mascara on my lower lash line just to make sure it looked really, really dark and messy. No, you know. Then I'm going in with my LA Splash Cosmetics Classic Horror Liquid Lipstick in Mummy. Just a very, 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 very nude color. And it wasn't nude enough against the white, so we just added some of the P. Louise white base, the number 0. I just popped it on top, and then I took my beauty blender and just kind of like blended it more, if that makes sense, and made it more pale. Yeah. Then we popped on our little Haunted Mansion head pieces. We made these ourselves, you guys. We literally cut the bats out and Baylee stapled the lace together. But that's it for this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Happy October 1st. I hope you're just as excited as I am. This is the first of many, many looks that I am bringing you this season. Please make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you can see all the spookiness I'm bringing. I will be uploading a lot on here, and on my Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting as always. I will see you in my next Halloween tutorial. Bye!